Shiba is on the bed. So she loves sleeping. I know. I'm just saying you love sleeping in there. I just finished fixing the bed, changed the bed cover. I just put another layer, so. Okay, you can lay down now. And I'll give you meds right after, okay? Okay, I'll give you meds. I'll change the curtain as well. Stay there. Sorry, excuse. Show Rosie. So I have to give her meds. Yeah? Oh, yeah, Charlie. No, this is not for you, buddy. This is not for you. No, no, no. Shiba. Shiba. Open your mouth. Mm. Charlie. Swallow it, swallow. Good girl. Ah, you split the meds. Rose, Shiba. Mm. Charlie, I'm having a hard time to open. Mm. Why are you splitting it? You don't need to split the meds. You have to drink. Mm. Ay. Woo. Shiba. Shiba. Shiba, no. Shiba. Mm? No. Okay, later. I'll give you the other meds.